Good day, everyone. This presentation aims to provide an in-depth evaluation of the geothermal resource potential in Jiangxi province. By leveraging multiple analytical approaches and data sources, we will explore how remote sensing, geographic information system, and geophysical indicators interact to provide a holistic view of the region's geothermal potential. Jiangxi province offers a unique geological setting, making it a significant area for geothermal research and exploration. By analyzing geological formations, heat flow characteristics, and fault structures, we aim to identify hotspots where geothermal energy extraction would be technically feasible and economically viable. Geothermal energy is a sustainable, renewable source of energy that offers significant environmental and economic advantages. Unlike fossil fuels, it emits minimal greenhouse gases and can be a reliable source of energy. The Jiangxi province geological diversity, featuring magmatic rocks, metamorphic formations, and fault structures, makes it a prime candidate for geothermal exploration. The region's tectonic activity and favorable environment factors such as temperature stability and water availability contribute to its geothermal potential. By harnessing geothermal energy, Jiangxi can reduce reliance on conventional energy sources and explore new opportunities for clean energy generation. Several critical indicators are analyzed to evaluate geothermal potential in Jiangxi province. Geological formations, such as magmatic and metamorphic rocks, are essential because their composition determine heat, conductivity, and storage capacity. The terrestrial heat flow indicates how much geothermal energy is present at a given location. The Moho depth and Carry depth provide insights into the subsurface thermal structure, which influences geothermal reservoir characteristics. Additionally, fault structures act as pathways for heat movement and fluid circulation, enhancing geothermal activity. Finally, thermal water temperatures from hot springs and wells offer direct measurements of geothermal energy availability. GIS is a powerful tool in geothermal research that enables the integration of data from multiple sources to create a comprehensive geothermal resource map. By combining geological surveys, remote sensing, and thermal imaging, GIS allows for accurate spatial analysis and visualization of geothermal features. This integrated approach helps identify areas with high geothermal potential and enables better decision-making in exploration projects. Techniques such as an overlay analysis, interpolation, and spatial statistics ensure the data from different sources are accurately represented, creating a robust geothermal evaluation model. Thermal storage temperature evaluation is a critical step in understanding geothermal reservoir. The silicon enthalpy equation proposed by Keith 2021 provides an estimate of heat storage based on silicon concentrations in geothermal waters. The cation temperature scale, developed by Gegenbach, used the ratios of potassium and magnesium concentration to assess temperature. These methods offer different perspectives on the geothermal storage capacity, helping researchers determine the efficiency and viability of geothermal energy extraction. Comparing these two methods allow for a more accurate evaluation of geothermal reservoir and aids in locating areas with the highest potential for energy extraction. Jiangxi province contains a diverse array of geological features that significantly influence its geothermal potential. Magmatic rocks and metamorphic formations have high heat conductivity and storage capacities, which are crucial in geothermal evaluation. The Neoproterozoic Cenozoic formations offer further evidence of geothermal activity in the region. Additionally, deep faults and reef basins play a critical role in geothermal activity by providing pathways for fluid movement and heat transfer. Their spatial distribution across the province enhances the ability of geothermal fluids to circulate, facilitating heat extraction and increasing the viability of geothermal exploration of energy and energy generation projects. The terrestrial heat flow distribution map reveals regions where geothermal energy is most abundant, helping prioritize exploration efforts. The radioactive heat generation rate in magmatic rocks, such as granite, highlights subsurface areas rich in natural radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. These elements contribute to heat generation, though through radioactive decay, a crucial indicator of geothermal energy availability. Analyzing these factors together enables researchers to pinpoint areas where geothermal extraction will be most effective and sustainable. This approach continues to integrate robust evaluation methods, geological insights, and advanced technologies to optimize the assessment and exploration of geothermal resource in Jiangxi province. What is principal component analysis? Principal component analysis is a powerful statistical method that simplifies complex datasets by combining multiple geothermal indicators into a single interpretable composite score. In Jiangxi province, PCA evaluates different geological, geophysical, and thermal factors simultaneously such as heat flow, fault structures, and rock types. To identify the areas with the highest geothermal potential, this method helps in reducing data complexity while ensuring that the most significant geothermal features are highlighted. The composite the composite evaluation scores generated by PCA enable researchers to prioritize regions for detailed exploration and energy extraction efforts. What is the HAP method? The analytical hierarchy process method is a structured decision-making tool that evaluates geothermal potential by assigning relative weights to different geothermal indicators. Factors like fault structure, heat flow, rock types, and thermal water temperature are systematically ranked based on their importance in geothermal potential assessment. The HP evaluation diagram provides a clear visualization of geothermal hotspots and ranks them according to their overall geothermal potential. This method not only helps prioritize exploration efforts, but also ensures that a systematic and well-structured comparison of various indicators is conducted, ensuring that key geothermal hotspots are accurately identified and assessed for sustainable energy extraction. The comprehensive geothermal resource evaluation combines multiple geothermal indicators to create a detailed distribution map showcasing the composite geothermal potential across Jiangxi province. By integrating data from geological surveys, remote sensing, and thermal imaging, the evaluation identify hotspots where geothermal energy extraction would be most efficient and cost-effective. These hotspots result from the convergence of favorable geological formations, fault structures, and high heat flow areas. Such an integrated mapping approach ensures that exploration projects can be focused on areas with the highest likelihood of success, thereby maximizing efficiency and resource extraction potential while minimizing environmental impacts. Several geological indicators play a crucial role in pinpointing geothermal hotspots in Jiangxi province. Active faults serve as natural conduits that facilitate heat transfer and fluid circulation, which are essential for geothermal energy extraction. Mohadep and Karadep provide insights into the thermal structure of the subsurface, indicating areas where significant geothermal energy is stored. Additionally, geothermal water temperature measurement from hot springs and wells provide different evidence of geothermal activity. Analyzing these indicators together allows for a better understanding of subsurface geothermal dynamics, ensuring that exploration and extraction efforts are focused on regions with the highest geothermal activity and potential. In conclusion, Jiangxi Province has substantial geothermal potential, supported by its rich geological formation, significant fault structures, and high terrestrial heat flow indicators. Comprehensive evaluation methods like PCA or principal component analysis and the AHP process, which is analytical hierarchy process, enable the identification and ranking of key geothermal hotspots across the region. The integration of technologies such as GIS, remote sensing, and statistical tools ensures that geothermal mapping is accurate and reliable. These advanced analytical and technological methods not only enhance the effectiveness of exploration efforts, but also ensures the sustainable and efficient extraction of geothermal energy, positioning Jiangxi as a leader in renewable energy projects and sustainable resource development. I express my gratitude to the researchers and institution whose valuable studies and data have significantly contributed to our understanding of geothermal energy potential. Their efforts have been instrumental in advancing this important field and guiding sustainable energy exploration. Thank you for your contributions. That's all, and thank you for listening.